Hi, Mr. Lewin, Santana here. We spoke on the phone yesterday about your website, artlewinbespoke.com. Discussed generally what the health of it is, and so I don't want to waste any time. Let's just jump right into it. Here's your website. Looks beautiful. The system that I use to check for the health of someone's website is SEO Quake. The two major things that I wanted to point out for you are your traffic. So this is the traffic that you are pulling in. 345 people came to your website last month. The second thing that I wanted to touch on is backlinks back here. So backlinks essentially are it's your website link on other websites that are relevant to your business. Okay, so this right here is an area that other businesses, other suit tailors are beating you in because you have zero backlinks, right? So this is something I can definitely take care of. I think a good healthy amount of backlinks is probably going to be around the 40 or so, depending on what your competition's doing. I'll definitely investigate that further though, so I can come up with the absolute correct number. But this a little bit was the first thing that caught my eye. But let's just jump into your rankings right now. Custom Suit San Diego, you are ranking third in the map pack. Okay, that is again, that's Custom Suit San Diego. And again, let's also remember too, custom suits, that's just one keyword, right? There's other keywords out there that I can find and make sure that is on your page and to help boost you up to number one. This is Custom Suits Orange County. And here we have number one, which what do you know? So as I mentioned to you before, this is kind of like a game that other marketers or businesses are playing online. Is that they take part of somebody else's brand, right? And they use that as a keyword, and they kind of generate business that way, right? So we need to knock this guy off because that's just not right, right? So this is actually their website. I did do a little bit of digging on them already as well. As you can see, um, not too much content in the front, right? Not too much content, but they've snuck it in different photos and in different videos, keywords. So we got to beat them. Moving on, let's keep going. Custom Suits Beverly Hills. Okay, in Beverly Hills, we're not in the map pack yet, but we will get there, right? That's currently you're not here yet, but you will be, right? Um, Custom Suits Palm Springs, you're still number one. And let's see, Scottsdale, Arizona, still number one, right? And then of course LA, still number one. So overall, I mean, that's an amazing feat. 6 locations, and you're ranking in 4 of them, right? So San Diego, we definitely got to get you up to number one, and Beverly Hills, we got to get you ranked to number one, and then from there, it's all about what you need me to do as far as what your website goes, right? So I already discussed, of course, we're going to make sure all the keywords are there. We're going to keep up with the trends every month for what people are looking for. We got to I got to figure out a couple different ways to say custom suits, right? Because that keyword's not always going to be the ranking word. And we also got to get backlinks. I got to get you quite a few backlinks. Actually, I think I SEO quaked the other one. Okay, see here, backlinks for the other business that's outranking you. What is it? Bespoke, right? This is their analytics. Um, Generally speaking, yes, they're getting less traffic, but they have way more websites that are pretty much referencing them. So again, that's just those backlinks are honestly is a pinnacle point that's what drives power to your website, right? That's how it's one way Google is going to determine how relevant your website is. So this is something I can definitely do for you. Obviously, if they have 301, I'm going to want 350. That's not an easy feat, but that's what you have me for. So again, we kind of discussed this already. Obviously, you wanted to cut back on the ads, but that's something we can get into, as the pandemic kind of slows down, things start to open back up, if that's something that you desire. But anyways, go ahead and give me a call. I'm available. Let's see, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Friday. I'm available tomorrow on Friday all day, and of course on Saturday as well. So feel free to give me a call. Let's figure out what we want to do moving forward. And again, it was a pleasure speaking with you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.